maximum effort.
Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a fuck, that's what they don't understand.
Back again like flu season, I broke records while loose leafing. I'm coming now, my roof leaving, don't give a fuck, I don't care. Did the shit by my lonesome, no wonder now I'm on one. No shortcuts on that long run.
What's up, y'all? How you guys doing? Today's gonna be a fun, but at the same time a sad video, because it's probably gonna be the last time I ride the ski for this year. It was an amazing summer with the ski, having the ski for the first time, and I've only had it for, what was it, 3 months? Well, now we're going on like 4 months, but it was just the most amazing experience. I wish I would have done it sooner. I wish I would have known about it sooner, but I just had a blast this summer. Like, everybody I meet, I tell them, if you thinking about getting one, just get one, because it's like you can have fun by yourself, you can have fun with people, you can have fun when you're going, you can have fun when you're going slow, you can have fun when you're going fast. You know, it's just always fun. You know, it's relaxing. Sometimes I just turn it off. I'll just turn off the ski and just sit there and just, you know, float in the water. It's just an amazing experience. Let's have fun out there. See you guys. Yeah, so I just got in the water. I'm on the ski. Just stepping that first foot in. I guess because last week there was about, not even last week, just a couple of days ago, it was like 28 degrees in the night. The water is freezing now. Now the water is freezing. Before, you know, the water didn't start freezing till like, or it didn't start getting cold to the beginning of November. Honestly, it was colder outside. You put your hand in the water was actually still warm till November. But now the water is freezing. Like, it's freezing. But we're gonna try to make the best of our day. We always do. talk about this for a second. So, like, my body is fine. Like, you know, it's cold, obviously, because the water's cold. But, you know, like, physically, my body is okay. It's your forehead. It's like your forehead, when the water hits your forehead, and then the wind hits it right afterward, after you start gaining some speed, you get, like, the worst brain freeze ever. The worst brain freeze ever. Like, I guess that's the reason why, you know, people don't ride in the cold. Because it is freezing. Like, you feel like you're this close to passing out. Oh my God. Like, my body's okay. It's just your head. It literally makes your head hurt. Woo. The only idiot out here in this freezing water. Oh my God. Everybody was telling me when they saw me getting in the water with a jet ski, everybody was saying, oh, God bless you, and you're really brave for going out there. It's freezing. I don't look at it that way. I look at it as, if I get in the water today, as cold as it is today, another day that it's slightly warmer, it's not gonna feel cold to me because I did it today, you know. But it is cold. Your forehead gets cold.